Hello, I'm Alex from MovinsEdition. This item is Adidas Jeremy Scott. It's a new product that MovinsEdition has only one. I'll introduce a collaboration item. It's a cute zebra high top shoe designed by Jeremy Scott, who collaborated with Adidas with a new one owned by Alex of MovinsEdition. Adidas meets Jeremy Scott design. Especially enjoy cute tails. What a cute little zebra. Even if you don't have to wear it, just display it as a decoration. It would be good for the interior. The point of this item. That tail at the back. The animal-themed shoe from the Jeremy Scott collection. They come in a black and white colorway fuzzy zebra print uppers with a zebra tail on the heel. It's an interesting model. I can't help but admit his sense of humor. It's too cute for Alex to see. I think there are two baby zebras. JS Jeremy Scott Adidas black-white zebra sneakers. Jeremy Scott, a cute zebra high-top shoe, collaborated with Adidas. Adidas meets Jeremy Scott design, especially a zebra with a cute tail. Adidas and designer Jeremy Scott continue to add to their collection of animal-inspired sneakers with the Adidas Jeremy Scott Zebra. This distinctly designed sneaker has an ultra-soft fox hair upper with zebra stripe pattern and plush tail. Another unique collab creation that demands attention. See you again.